Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to folks on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, it was meant to be a Good Friday. Those are the words of a distraught stepfather after his stepson was found dead in a tank in St. Elizabeth. The police are probing the incident as a suspected case of drowning. Antonia Atkinson has our first story.
Grief hangs over a St. Elizabeth community following the tragic death of a 9-year-old boy in a suspected drowning. He has been identified as Samuel Clark of Long Hill District in Goshen. Reported that about 5 o'clock Thursday afternoon, Samuel was at home with his younger brother and the landlord when the incident happened. He had been playing outside when a ball he was using fell into a tank. It is believed the child removed his clothes and entered the tank in an attempt to retrieve the ball. Speaking with TVJ News, his father recounted what he was told took place.
From my mother married and my picnic and my picnic. I love him, I tell you. I can tell you, say at this because I was at work. But to my knowledge, on the way home, I see it, say, I'm here, in the day I play ball. And the ball drop in the tank. And it's like, he might try everywhere to get out it. Like, he might try from here, so the ball a drift from him. So I'm going, but you can see him close still up on the tank around there. So see, I say, I can go around there and take off his slippers, take off his clothes and climb up, you know. Because that board was up on the tank side, so you can see it broke. So it's as if he's losing balance and go over.
As for this resident,
when I reach here, so I look and I see him and I say, when did the incident feel him and in the right there, so. Said time somebody say, nobody not even there, I can't swim if you take him out. And I say, I want to say, man, I take out everything out of my pocket same time, but same time as I take out everything is like, one low feelings, one feelings take me across my below belly and my foot them. So I have to bend down this and hold on for me and I tell them, say, use the bamboo. That's if anything, I'm faint inside of the tank. You can't take you and raise me up or something. For me feel weak, but I go down in the field.
a passerby became suspicious and raised an alarm after seeing Samuel's clothes beside the tank. A search was then conducted, and the 9-year-old's body was eventually retrieved from the water. Antonia Atkinson, TVJ News.